Well, all right, y'all, welcome back. So, we will be making a headband wig out of these 2 packs of this model wavy Senegalese twisted hair. And it's very full, y'all, believe it or not. 1 pack is very full, and it's even enough to make a wig, but I want this wig to be even fuller, so I use 2 packs. And this is the headband cap that I will be using today. You guys have seen it before. This is the construction of it outside of the package. So you guys see it has the little headband on there, and of course you can put your own headband on top of theirs, or you can wear it like that, but I suggest putting a headband on top of it, you know. But hey, you can do whatever you want, it'll be yours. And you guys know that I'm making this wig for my Macari store, and I tried to find a link to the last wig that I made, you guys, and I just can't put it, but I can put the link to the store down below for you guys to just browse all of the units that I have available. And this is the hair that I'll be using today out of the package. It looks so beautiful. It looks so natural, you guys. I mean, the color of it is 99J, and it has like 3 little bundles, and it's not that crochet hair that has the loop. It's the one that is just a long strand that's folded over, and you crochet it by folding it and installing it. And I'm trying to show you guys here. I know I don't have a good angle. I'm working on that. You guys gotta stay tuned. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you guys can see the progress of your girl. Everything that you see in these videos, I did not have no help. Nobody showed me how to do it. Nobody told me how to do it. I just kind of figured it out because this is what I like to do. I like to do hair. I like to create different looks, create different hairstyles, and doing wigs, I'm able to do so. So this is my progress so far, you guys, and we kind of did like a bricklayer method, but toward the top, as you can see, I did it very close together just in case the buyer wanted to wear it up and down. They could do that by me doing it this way. So now I'm doing the front, and we just gonna fill the middle in, and this is how I'm able to make this up and down style, or a versatile wig unit, if you may say. The top crochets I did close together, as well as that little middle part you see, and that's so you can get that up and down effect, you guys. But of course you can wear it all down, or you can even take it up in a ponytail, as this wig cap has 3 combs in it. So the wig cap has 3 combs, y'all. Those combs are used for extra security. Like, you don't want your wig sliding off, y'all. It's not gonna slide off with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. No. So, excuse me, y'all. My bad. She is all done. She is ready to go, you guys. You see how thick and full she is? And we used those 2 packs, and they had 3 full bundles in them, in each of them. So that's like 6 little packs all in one. We used each and every strand, you guys. I didn't get a chance to see how many strands were in each bundle, but you guys see for yourself, this wig is very full, very thick. We are going to style this wig in a couple ways just so you guys can see that it is versatile. And like I said, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the wig units you see me make, go ahead and head over to my Mercari store and see if you see anything you like. You can also check out the wig units that are already sold, and if you would like one of those, go ahead, send me a message and let me know that you would like for me to recreate one of the wig units that I've already sold. But yes, you guys, we're back to this wig unit, 99J wavy twist, the thin kind of twist, not the chunky twist. And they are very, very natural looking, you guys, very natural. And like I said, I wish I can keep this wig for myself, but I just want to make somebody smile. I want to make their day. I want them to feel so beautiful when they rock this unit. You will get free gifts with this unit, you guys. Yes, you will. And you may or may not get a free headband. The gifts are way different from me inserting a free headband. But I just want you guys to know that I am not stingy with my gifts. I want you to open something spectacular. I do not want you to just pull a wig. Yeah, you ordered it, but I don't want you to just pull just that item out of your package. So you will not be disappointed when you order from my store, you guys. I have some reasonable priced units, but as prices go up, your girl has to go up, unfortunately, on my prices. So the newer units are a little bit more than the older units, but that's to be expected. Consider the older units on clearance. But yes, you guys, you get free gifts with those as well. You get free gifts with anything that you purchase from me. So back to this wig unit, you guys. We are putting 2 ponytails into this wig unit just to make sure she's still full and nothing's showing and all of that good stuff. And guess what? It worked out. It worked out well. It looks so beautiful. It looks so gorgeous. I cannot wait to mail this unit off to one lucky customer. And yes, like, I have a ton of gifts, you guys, waiting to be given to, but you guys have to order from my Mercari store. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you guys like this unit, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you like about it. Would you rock this? Would you not rock it? Let your girl know. Okay, let your girl know. I need some feedback. I know I'll rock it. I'll rock it for sure. But hey, everybody's taste ain't the same. Let your girl know down below. And yeah, you guys will see me pretty soon. Also, any video requests, you guys, comment down below. Let me know if there's anything you want to see me do, and I will do it. Or I'll try my best to do it, because hey, y'all might recommend some crazy stuff. But hey, try me. Comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.